is M.vineeth. I'm a third year computer science engineering student currently pursuing my BTech degree at Kale University. As of my CSCD project, today we are creating two S3 buckets and will put objects into the buckets through AWS Web Service. So, to do so, first we should log in AWS Web Console. I have already logged in, so I'll just go there. After logging in, this is the home page. Now go to search bar and type S3. Click on S3. Click on create bucket, and here we should give a unique name to it, like I'm giving KLH260, and other options it should be default, and go down and click on create bucket. Now we have created one bucket. We should create another bucket too. Just click on create bucket. You should give another name to it, like unique. I'm giving KLH260/1. Go down and create bucket. Now we have successfully created two buckets. Now we should insert the object into it. So click on the KLH260, click on upload, click on add file. So here I'm giving a text file. Yep, open, and the file is added over here. Just go down and click on upload. Now we have successfully uploaded one object into the bucket. To go back to the buckets and click on the second bucket. Now upload the second object into the second bucket. Just click on add file. Yep, the file is added. Go down, click on upload. Now we have successfully uploaded two objects into the two buckets.